Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and this is a new earbud that Samsung has launched with the Samsung Galaxy S20 family. And this Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is costing around $150. In this video I'm gonna unbox this earbuds, and on the back we have some more specification about the Galaxy Buds Plus. Now we have 11 hours of battery life compared to 4 or 5 hours on the Galaxy Buds. And also we have this more improved sound quality than before, and one more additional mic for the call quality. This is a Qi wireless charging compatible. This is a white color. There is a two more colors, which is a pink, blue, and you can see inside of this box we have this one more little box, and you can see which contain a warranty card as well as a quick start guide, which is like always it is very important. And there we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in this wrapping, and you can see, let's put the side here and look inside of this little box. And first we have this USB-A to USB-C cable with some more ear tips and wings for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. And here is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So let's remove the plastic from the top, and you can see Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in white color. On the back we have a USB-C port, and now let's open the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and you can see inside we have this LED indicator as well as a left and right option. Outside there is a one more LED indicator which shows the battery of the case, and inside LED indicator shows the battery of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. And guys, this case is made up of plastic, and you can see here is the Samsung earbuds. I have to say looks very beautiful, and this color is very similar that we see on the Samsung Galaxy S10 series in the prism white color. Let's out the another Samsung earbuds, and you can see, and inside of the earbuds we have some more sensors and mic, everything, and this is also a water resistant. So let's quickly pair these earbuds with my phone, and guys, let's see that it is sounds good or not. Guys, you can see that here is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and it fits my ear very good. You can see. So let's see the sound quality of the Samsung Buds Plus. And guys, I have to say that the sound quality on the Samsung Buds Plus is not as good as the Apple AirPods version 1. Guys, I am also using the Apple AirPods, which is very similar to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, but we have a 11 hours of playtime on the Samsung Buds Plus. That is also written on the back of this box, and you can see. And also we have a two-way speaker for richest sound, and also we have a one more mic than before that we see on the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and we have three mics on the Buds Plus. Inside only two mics on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Guys, I have to say that I really impressed by the sound quality on the Samsung Buds Plus. It is also costing about less than the Apple AirPods, $150. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, which I unboxed in this video. And subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.